Still several days away, but all eyes on the weekend and what is expected to be a major winter storm for parts of the south and southeast. So let's walk you through some of the model guidance and some of the expectations. This is the European model. We pick it up Saturday morning. Rain in green, ice in pink, snow in blue. And what you'll notice through the day on Saturday mostly shows locally liquid rain overspreading the area. Chilly rain, but mostly rain. And I do think that'll be the case. The question becomes Saturday night into early Sunday, does this ice make it southward into our area? The Europeans got it very close by Sunday morning, especially north and northwest of Baton Rouge, but really keeps the worst of it north of us. It does kind of clip us through the day on Sunday, maybe even on the back end again Sunday evening before the moisture moves on out. Now the GFS, here we are Saturday evening at 6 o'clock. It's already showing some of that ice into portions of the WAFB viewing area. Shows it continuing overnight Saturday and the Sunday morning for some, and again especially north of the interstates. And now it's a bit of an outlier in its latest run. Brings another round of moisture Sunday into Monday, which would potentially be problematic, but right now that looks to be kind of a wild outlier that we're not going to worry about too much as of yet. Now this is the snow forecast from the National Blend of Models that goes through next Tuesday morning, and I want you to note there's really no thinking that we're going to see any consequential snow here locally. All that stays to the north, but when you see the shades of purple, that's 6 to 12 inches. You start to get into the pinks, that's 15 inches or more of snow potentially showing up from the National Blend of Models. Now on the other hand, when we look at the freezing rain outlook, I want to show you the regional view first. This really highlights where it could turn into a crippling ice storm, where you see that darker shade of pink. So Shreveport, Monroe, southern Arkansas, near and north of Jackson, Mississippi, a secondary bullseye, Atlanta through Columbia, South Carolina, over towards Wilmington, North Carolina, places like that. But look at where the southern edge is. It's kind of draped right through the WAFB viewing area. So we're kind of sitting on the edge of those potential freezing rain impacts. It's going to be a tough forecast. And I'll tell you what, the uncertainty is probably going to continue for at least another couple of days, so strap yourselves in. This is going to be a marathon as we kind of track it. Now, this is a product from the Weather Prediction Center that gives us odds on seeing at least some type of wintry precipitation. We're not talking amounts. We're not really getting too much into impacts, just saying that there could at least be some minor impacts. Baton Rouge basically right on the 50-50 line as it stands right now. The yellow and orange is anywhere from 40 to 60%, but those shades of red, which are just northwest of Baton Rouge, 60 to up to 80%. So it gives you the idea we're kind of leaning towards at least northern parts of our viewing area getting some impacts as we get into the weekend. Right now it's beautiful. Blue skies over downtown. Our Sky 9 view brought to you by Our Lady of the Lake. 64 degrees. It's also mild outside. We're mostly in the low to mid 60s. Tonight not going to be as cold. We'll fall into the upper 40s by midnight. We start out mid to upper 40s. And tomorrow we top it out in the upper 60s. Also some scattered showers tomorrow. Scattered showers Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, but well above freezing. We've got the first alert up for the weekend, especially watching Saturday night and a Sunday morning. And then a secondary threat next week. It's going to be very cold. We could be looking at some hard freezes into the early part of next week. All right.